If you regularly use ChatGPT every day, this is probably a useful tip for you. Open your browser and visit chat.openai.com. Then you drag the web icon or logo icon which is present before to the desktop. You can change the icon to distinguish it from other software or leave it as default. With the shortcut you can quickly access ChatGPT with just a double click. If you want to create a Copilot desktop shortcut, then follow these steps. You create a new shortcut on the desktop. Next, enter the parameters as above. You can leave the default icon or change it if you want. The two AI applications have certain differences, and that also helps you have different choices at work. Above is how to create ChatGPT shortcuts and Copilot shortcuts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.